Your girl Karen, and we are at another location and another adventure. And today, you know, we are going to cook some stewed pumpkin and rice. So, let's stay tuned to watch and use.
Yes guys, welcome back to another fire burning, pot stirring video, you know. Keep you smiling and keep you on your feet. So right now, Sister Karen says she have a what you call it again, pumpkin stew and white rice out on the riverside, and I hope everything nice though. So right now more catch up the fire. The wind is little highish. So you can get a partner back up little of the wind. Light the fire. Goes fire. You don't need no more fire. Yes guys, out here I look to swim around, you know, this is the first one for the spring, you know. Yeah, I'm going back into the water, I'm going to look two more, you see? What, you know?
Me have the chicken here, wash, clean up and wash with the vinegar. So me I go season it here now. So me I get my salt. Yeah. The table there I know on the riverside, so you know you have to do like a sitting down. Yeah. So the powder season. Yeah, and just a little tip of browning, not much. I'm nervous me I shake, but I want show too much to come out, you know. Yeah, so rub in the season. Yeah, rub it in. Yeah, rubbing the season. Put the salt in the pot, this after the rice. Yeah, I'm going to wash the rice and put on. So, that's after the rice. I put on the pot for the rice. Yes guys, I'm going to get the rice washed. Put it in the pot here now. Yeah. Yeah.
What a catch. Yeah. Look at this. there for the current. Huh?
Yeah.
First one, listen up. Got the size, guys. Huh? Nearly 1 feet or more tall, you know.
See that? You always take me seat. What?
Yes.
Beg me seat now. Yes, guys, see the rice there? Come out looking fluffy and nice. Yeah.
Unfriendly rice you cook,
Yeah, man. So, I have to be
steam them another 2 more minutes.
thumbs up to myself, you know?
But
Yeah. So, I scrape off the pumpkin for dice it up for do the stew. Because you have to peel it, you know. If you peel it, it'll go mash out. So you just get off some of the skin off of it and I eat that. So, yeah, so I go dice it up and wash it. Yeah. Yes, and guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, give me a thumbs up on the video if you like it. Yeah, and let me know what go under the comment section too. Tell me if you like it and what I can do for betterment, you know? Just give me a comment, give me a thought on it. Let me know what you really think about it. You know, me need to know. Alright guys.
yes, guys, the moment ready for putting the chicken in the pot here.
Yeah man, let them brown a little, you know. Yeah. Yes, sir?
Yeah.
So, yes, guys, we have put on the pump. Wow. Yes, guys, look at it. Yes, guys. Beautiful. Yes, man. So, that's my pumpkin stew. Beautiful. Pretty, don't? Yeah, man. That's the way to look. Yeah. So, yes, guys, look at it. Look how beautiful it look. Look. Look at it, guys. Yeah. So, tastes good. Yeah.
Yeah, man, current style.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin stew, white rice, but the one with things current, full of spice.
Yeah, man. When it tastes like, put my foot in it. So, guys, remember to share, like, and comment,
you know.
and subscribe. And look here, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified whenever I post the next video. And right now, guys, you know, Clive, they go and see. Sorry, I talk about sea. Go in the water and him catch some fish. Him shoot about 6 fish. So tomorrow we are going to roast them. So you will see that video there. But for now, thank you for watching, guys. And